Okay, now question C. The formula in I-26 only refers to values in column I. Write the formula you would expect to see in cell I-26. Now, please do not just look at this and write equals sum and the cell ranges that you've basically put in the question before. What you need to do is you actually need to take a look at the spreadsheet if you haven't already. So, now it says number of donations, okay, and 21. So as you can see, this hasn't got this entire column and totaled it. What it's done is that it's counted how many donations there actually are, okay, and they've already said here in the question, write down the formula you would expect to see in I-26, but the formula in I-26 only refers to the values in column I. So basically, in your answer, it's already told you that you need to put the cell ranges in column I. Okay? Now, basically, what this has done is this has actually counted the values that are in here. So you can see that the number of donations, if any of these said 0, then obviously it's not in the formula. Okay, it's not. There's not a donation here. So if any of these said 0, then what it would do, it wouldn't include it. So, well, it shouldn't include it. So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, well, you already know and you've already figured out that there's 21 rows. Okay, so the formula is used is equals count. Okay, so if there was anything in there like any zeros, then it would use a count if, but as there is no zeros, all you need to do is put equals count. Okay, so you would just simply put equals count and you would put the cell range going from I4, I think that is, yeah, I4 to I24. Okay, another one you could use is equals count A, which means count all. So if in doubt, if you think, okay, if I use equals count, that may be the wrong answer, just use count A, okay, for count all. Okay, so there was nothing complicated about this. They haven't put a count if, so you haven't got to include a criteria. Okay, so for example, count if the cell is above, 0. You don't have to do that. It's just very simply equals count.